Amsterdam Lookout or Amsterdam Lookout is one of the most visited modern landmarks in Europe. The observation deck featuring the sensational rooftop swing gives you an unparalleled view of Amsterdam. To get to the Amsterdam Lookout, walk out to behind of Amsterdam Central Station. Outside, you will find a free ferry service that runs every 5 to 10 minutes from every jetty. You have to go on board the boat which goes to Buiksloterweg. You will not miss the place, because it is not difficult to find the tallest building ahead of you, with people swinging excitedly along the edge. The swing called Over the Edge sits on top of a former building called Shell, at 330 feet. It is right next to the Eiffel Museum. The opening hours for Amsterdam Lookout are from 10 AM to 10 PM, with the last entry at 9 PM. Once you reach, it is just a 2-minute walk along the Ige River. A regular ticket costs €12.5 with a swing price of €5. What you see here is the rate for 2 people. There is another set of tickets that is called the premium ticket at €18.5 per person. It includes 2 coins that can be exchanged for a burger, a cocktail or 2 drinks. Buying online ticket is easy, you can choose the day, time and add them to your card. Do not forget the combination tickets which include access to the Amsterdam Lookout plus lunch, or dinner at their revolving restaurant, called Moon. There are other combinations like Rock the City and This is Holland, as well. The benefit of buying tickets online is that you not only benefit from reduced prices, you also do not have to waste time queuing up for tickets. Amsterdam Lookout opened in August 2016 and is witnessing a steady stream of increasing visitors from different parts of the world. The ride to the top is a scintillating 20 seconds elevator ride, full of dazzling lights. Now, you see the indoor panorama deck, a beautiful lounge featuring angled, tinted glass panel. This gives you a fantastic view and also is a place where you can get something to eat and drink. Check out the 360-degree open-air sky deck. You can go for the amazing swing ride, click million photos, and have fun. Rest assured, the ride is exhilarating, safe and secure. The customer service and staff also deserve a thumbs up. It's the time to leave, and of course, to see the dazzling display of lights again.